Hello guys, welcome once again to DY update. So guys, today I brought you guys another update. So this update is about those of you running foreign accounts. So as in Nigeria, you running foreign accounts, you gonna need connection, a secure connection that won't affect your business. Like those of you running digital marketing, foreign digital marketing, running affiliate marketing, all of those stuff, managing accounts, PayPal, all of those stuff. So I brought you guys a safe way which you can use for your connection. So with that saying, guys, let's jump right into the video. So first of all, the platform. So I don't know if any of you have heard about platform. So platform is a logins, it's a multi-logins application which we you use as a second phone. So it's a second phone, second device phone. So it's also safer than VPN. So which you can use for your connection on your account to run all your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, all of those stuff. So for those of you that run foreign accounts, do all of those foreign stuff, any foreign currency, PayPal, all of those stuff. So this work actually great. So with that saying, guys, let's jump right into the video. So first of all you have to do is to head on to your Play Store and download this app called. Search on this app called Vimos. Here is it, Vimos Cloud. So you can see it's actually showing installed on my phone. That's why, because I've already installed it on my phone. So, but for you, it will be showing install. So you have to install it for the first time on your phone. You install it there. So I'll have to take you into the interface of my own so that I can show you how it looks like and how to run it. So and how to create your own multi logins account. So first, I have to tell you that for those of you that is so guys, as you can see, guys, this is the interface of my own platform. So for you, you can see my own is showing one device right here. It's called this device is a VO3. So you can see I've already purchased the device and it's a US device. So now mind you guys that for those of you that also run surveys, you can also use this platform for surveys. Like those of you that like downloading application through Play Store, App Store, you can also use this platform for surveys. It also works based on surveys you get. So first, this platform has its own VPN proxy, and it's come with your own phone number. Everything is as normal as a new phone you get. When you buy a phone, everything how you set everything up with your SIM or your number, all of those stuff. So this is how the class phone actually is. So all you have to do is just for you to be renewing it. So they have different type of plan. So first, I will guide you through everything, but I just have to let you guys understand how it actually works. So now let me take you into my own, so I can give you can see it for yourself. So let's log into my own. You can see VO8. So you see the most platform paste. So now you can see now for the look of things now you can see that if someone did not tell you that this is a cloud phone, you won't know. You just feel like okay, exactly as a normal phone. The only difference is that is not on a physical device. Is not a physical device you get. It's not a physical device. Something that's okay, you are feeling, you are holding. It's just a second virtual phone. Let me call it like that. It's a virtual phone you get. So that's how it is. You can see I already installed some app, and you can see these are location changer, all of those stuff, and you can see things for yourself. So if you want to download, let me show you guys something. If you want to download some, let me say application, you can just click on this Play Store right here. You can see Play Store have already loaded up, so you can just see. So let me cancel this. So guys, they say I need to like input my passcode before I can go through to the Play Store. So now I don't actually have this my password in my head. I don't actually save it on my head. So I wrote it somewhere, and for me to be getting it now, it's going to take a long time for me for this video. So I'll just have to, okay, let me skip this part and show you guys some other things in the app. So these are Atapo. These are Atapo surveys, and these are TikTok. So let me click on TikTok. You can see TikTok will also open. Let me click on TikTok. So you can see this is a foreign account. So everything right here is showing everything right here is showing US videos, all of those stuff. You get, it's a foreign account. So now let me show you other things. So now you can see for yourself. So now what we have to do next is, so let me show you guys how to buy yours. So you have to like go back, then in case you want to buy another phone. Let me say you want to create another profile, and that you want to purchase another device, that's another cloud phone device. So this is what you have to do. You have to click on purchase device. This is it right here. Click on purchase device. So you can see you can see different Android. So this is my I'm using Android for this. That's why it's showing Android in this upper icon right there. So you can just choose the upgrade of Android you want. You can choose Android 16. You can choose Android 7, 12, Android 15, 14, all of those stuff. So the one that best suits you choose from it. So for the tutorial of this video, I'll just go with anyone. Then you can see you see device mode. Then you can click on cloud machine. You can click on real machine. So the one that best for you. So this hot, it means the one that is actually trendy right now. The one people are actually going for. So but this one is more costly than this one. You get, this one is more costly. This one is more costly. You can see this real machine. You can see is more costly. So let's go on this cloud machine first. Then we'll go back to the other one. So this is what you have to do. So you can see say product model. So you can choose the model. You can choose VOC pay per minute. So you can choose. So then here you have to say. So these are the details of the configuration of the cloud machine. You can see 5 gig RAM, high performance CPU, 8 cores. You can see root, 43G storage, Google recommended apps. So these are the apps they recommended for you. So you can also use it for other apps, but these are the apps that they recommend. So but you can also use it for others. So now here we get to the plan and location of where you have to do. So now this is you are the second one. You have to choose the country you want the cloud phone to work for. The country you want, like if you want Hong Kong, if you want, you can see now it's on Hong Kong. But if you want to switch to United Kingdom, United States, you have to click on United States. Just select the country you want here. Just select the country you want. So now there's not United Kingdom. It's only US. So let's stick to US first. Then yeah, you have to choose your plan. Maybe you want to subscribe it for like one day. You can see the cost of one day, $1. 3 days, you can see the cost of 3 days. You can see limited device. So this one is let me see, they have is a limited device. So let me see, this one has limit, but it's more the price is more lower, but it has limit. You can just let me the limit. It means that you can just use it for like 1 hour and two. They will just send you a message that then the thing will just stop working. Then you reach a that means that you have reached your minutes, your limits. I mean, so you can choose from the 7 days, 30 days, the one that best suits you. You go for it. So then yeah, the second one you're gonna see this auto renew. Then you have to this one is the IP address. You click on it. You can use Prosy. Just click on it. So mind you, if you want to like turn the auto renew on, you can turn it on. If you want to turn it off, you can toggle it like this and it will turn off. So let's continue. So now this IP address, this IP address say do not use Prosy. So you can choose the one that you can choose use Prosy. You choose or use Prosy, you have to buy Prosy and use it. But in case you don't want to use Prosy, but using Prosy is more safer because Prosy will give you Prosy is a IP. Let me say is the one that is going to change your location. You get so the subscription the plan you are buying is for the phone. You get it's for the phone. It's just like you paying for buying a new phone. Then after buying a new phone, you have to go and buy a new SIM to subscribe your SIM and input it to your phone so that you can use it for your online activities. So that is what it means. So now you can choose anyone. Then this place is a cloud phone information. So this class phone information basic on IP simulator. So when you can just leave it, so you can see this is the option now. You can just choose any of this, then you click on buy. You click on buy. So these are the this is the price you are going to be paying. $20 $67. So you click on buy. Then after clicking on buy, you are choose your preferred payment method, which method you want to use to pay. You can use a MasterCard, PayPal, crypto, USDT, any type of payment method, Apple, Google Pay, different type. So that is how it is. Yes, that's how it is. So now, so it depends. The more your Android upgrade, you can see level 113 and 114 will not be the same price. You get it's just like when iPhone came out now, then you buy iPhone 14, then small time iPhone 16 or 15 come out again. Then you won't buy that iPhone 14 you buy at the same price with the same thing with iPhone 15. The price will be more higher. So that is how it is. So now when you are done doing that, you click on buy. After clicking on buy, then your platform will appear as this, exactly like this, as this one is appearing, this one so as is appearing. So that is how it is. Then you have to click on it and set it up. So if you want me to do more video about this platform stuff, please just do it to drop your comment in the comment section. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, I will do your make this on Chris about making money online. So if you love videos like this, can you do it to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people and to more audience. So that is how it is. So if you want, you can also recharge your account. You can just recharge, you click on recharge, then use any payment method to recharge so that it will be more easier for you when buying. So that's how it is. So any video you want me to make again, you can just check it down, comment it down below. So guys, that is it for today. If you love videos like this, can you do it too? Don't forget to like, guys. Like that's actually a way of appreciating me for creating my time to give you guys an update like this. So bye for now. Peace out. Stay tuned for my next one.